What is up, guys? Randall here from Crypto Love, and I had a bit too much to drink last night. But moving forward, we have got a weekly recap for you. It's been an exciting week in crypto. Before we get to that, I want to say thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you to everyone who's watching every day, participating, commenting. We're having a fun time here. Also, if you could just mash on that like button. If we get 50 likes on this video, that would be awesome. Now, taking a look at things, over 1,000 subscribers, right? Look at this Cardano video, 5,000 views in 2 days, if you couldn't see that behind my head. And coming up on Tuesday night at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we have a late night live stream, first ever. Let's hope it goes well. Who knows? It could, it might not. Now, getting into the news, it's been an exciting week this week. Bitcoin surged to all-time highs, right? Over $5,000, staying over $5,000. Everybody's happy. I'm happy. What other things? Ethereum hard fork. It happened, right? If we take a look, it's already passed. It was at block 4,370,000. We're already past there. What did the hard fork give us? Well, the main thing was just the ZK snarks. Boom, right there. ZK snarks, the knowledge proof, zero knowledge proof, privacy stuff. If you want to know more, there's more updates there as well. What else? Russia is issuing a crypto ruble. That's interesting, right? Because remember earlier in the week, Russia was saying that they're going to ban Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies, and everybody was scared. Now they're issuing their own, the crypto ruble. And in fact, it may be based on a conference held with Vitalik where they had an Ethereum Russia type edition. But if you'll remember previously, there's been other countries talking about first ever state cryptocurrencies, like Dubai, one of the biggest business cities in the world. All right, other countries, Estonia. Now, for those of you guys who saw Encino Man, you'll know that Linkovich Chivowski, the caveman, was from Estonia. So go figure, caveman, the first to use cryptocurrencies, right? Also Slovenia. So everybody wants to issue the first ever cryptocurrency. And it makes sense, like old money people who have been thinking like money and governments, they need this connection. Like, for instance, Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street, said that cryptocurrencies really need government backing. Let's look at that clip.
I'm not saying cryptocurrencies, there won't be one. I think there will be one. But I think it has to have some backing by some central governments out there.
All right, else in the news, JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon said he's done. He's done talking about Bitcoin. He also said he's going to kill someone, but he said he's done talking about Bitcoin. And so he didn't talk about it for a day, and then he talked about it again to call Bitcoin investors stupid. Oh, that is terrible. I don't want to be stupid. You know, a lot of people call me stupid who watch this stuff too, so whatever. I invest in Bitcoin. I make funny videos. I'm stupid. Thanks. He said that it could trade for $100,000 before it trades for zero. Well, that would be cool. I'd enjoy that. I think he's missing the big point here. Because what's going to happen with all fiat currencies is that they're going to have a huge deflationary period go on. Like stuff that we've seen in Zimbabwe, where money's just worth nothing. Stuff that we've seen in Yugoslavia, where you have to go with a wheelbarrow full of cash to buy a loaf of bread. That's just going to happen with all the fiat currencies, not going to happen with Bitcoin, because there is a fixed amount. So I think he misses that point there. But, I mean, it could be a bubble. I think eventually the price will go super high and then it'll come down. Those people who get in on the end, they're fucked. Sorry for them. Now, looking at the markets, what's going on this week? Well, Bitcoin this week is up 23%. Damn, what a week. Man, makes me happy to have my money in Bitcoin instead of in a bank, right? Ethereum up 12.6%, $340. Didn't really see a surge due to the fork. I'm still buying Ethereum because I want to be able to shard that stuff. You know, I love sharding. Ripple up 2.41%, or staking, whatever you want to call it. Litecoin 24.85%. Okay, let's get on. Where are the big gainers? Okay, Stellar Lumens up 99%. Damn, last week they were up too. Damn, missed that one. Monacoin up 402%. Holy moly. What else? Metaverse, Christopher Dowling, great recommendation, up 313%. Right? Regalcoin up 85%. What? Sprouts. We're not going to look at that one. It's just a shitty website. But Vertcoin was up too, somewhere. I don't know where it went. Okay, let's take a look. First one that I had to mention this week, Cardano had an explosive week. Right now it's down a little bit, but that makes me happy because I'm going to buy some more. I've been waiting for a little bit of a pullback. All right, right now, almost 3 cents. It was up at 3.5 cents somewhere, almost 4 cents at one point. And boom, it just exploded from like 2 cents to 4 cents. It doubled, and there's good reason why. If we take a look, Cardano is a really cool project, all right? It's basically redesigning a brand new blockchain built by academics, engineers, and the team is out of this world. Okay, 2 of the people from the team used to work with Ethereum. Also, one of them worked with BitShares. So they have a lot of crypto experience. They have some cool projects coming on, like a provably secure proof of stake algorithm and a very cool wallet. I encourage you to check this stuff out. I have a video. It was blowing up. I'm not sure if you saw 5,000 views in like a couple days. So check out the video. Next one, Stellar Lumens blowing up. Holy cow, didn't it just blow up last week? We saw that. It went from like nothing to blow up and then came back down and blew up again. Why is it doing it again? I mean, Ripple's not blowing up. It's doing it because IBM has partnered with Stellar Lumens to make cross-border payments. And, you know, the news will do it. You get some news like that, everyone wants to buy it, everyone wants to get in. And that's why Stellar Lumens could be getting some pump. Next one, Monacoin, the first Japanese cryptocurrency. Monacoin trading at $3.64 right now. It was even higher at one point, up near $5. I feel sorry for those people who bought in at that point. But what is this? First Japanese cryptocurrency. There's really not that much information in English about Monacoin. I was almost going to do a video on them yesterday because they had been blowing up so much. But actually, this dude here did a really good video. Covered everything that I could think of. What do I think about Monacoin? I think that a Japanese-only cryptocurrency defeats the point of cryptocurrencies. They're supposed to be decentralized in global payment systems. And also, I think it's just a little bit of over-exuberance. Like, probably everyone in Japan wants to get their hands on Monacoin, and everybody here wants to as well. I mean, if we look at this, most of the volume is here on Bittrex, not on, like, the Japanese exchanges. So I think everybody wants to get in on that. What about the price? I think it's probably going to come down a bit. I'm not a financial advisor. I just look at these things. I look at a lot of cryptos. I mean, look at this. Whoosh, huge upside, now starting to come down. I think if we give it a few more days, we'll see a flag here, and then it'll go either way, break up or down. Probably down. Next one, Metaverse. Okay, Metaverse has seen a 4-time increase this week. Holy cow, that is big. And there's good reason why. Metaverse, right now trading at $5.16. But if we take a look at it, it's the new reality. Get rid of this old reality. That's boring. Nobody needs this crap. We have the new reality. And basically, okay, think of these other coins. Tell me if you've heard of them. Chainlink, Civic, 0x, BitShares, Walton, VeChain. You've probably heard of a couple of those, right? Well, Metaverse is taking all of those and putting it into one. Very ambitious project, but if they pull this off, it's going to be crazy because that's going to be like everything all together. I mean, look at this. Digital asset registration, digital identity design, Oracle intermediary, decentralized exchange. Very cool. 2 thumbs up. Price is a bit high for me to get in. I would wait a little bit. I wish I got in when Chris told me to. Damn it. Oops. Next one, Regalcoin, a historic shitcoin. Okay, Regalcoin. In case you guys didn't get in on BitConnect early enough, you can get in on Regalcoin. Another coin that has absolutely no value other than selling other people this shitcoin, and then you make money on it. The more people you can sell this shitcoin to, the more money you make. Therein lies the value of Regalcoin. I mean, Regalcoin at $31, it's blown up recently. I said it was a historic shitcoin back when it was like $8 or something, and now look at me. I have no idea what I'm doing. See, not a financial advisor. I just look at these coins. I tell you if I think they're good, if I think they're not, and then whatever happens, happens. If we take a look, yeah, I mean, they basically jack the Bitcoin webpage, and then down here, all that it gets to is affiliate and network programs, multi-level marketing. Thank God they're not on any like real big exchanges yet. Oh my God, if they get on Bittrex, this will be a $300 coin. Or at least like 100 something, like BitConnect. Whatever, it takes all types. Next one, Vertcoin. Vertcoin up at $1.80 saw some explosive growth over the past couple days. You guys have asked me before if I like Vertcoin. Yes, I like Vertcoin, and here's why. All right. Vertcoin is a decentralized currency owned by its users. It's the people's coin. To me, this is like what Bitcoin was aiming to do in the beginning. Okay, Vertcoin is just kind of another copy of that. But also it has some very cool things, like it's on the Lightning Network, like it has some privacy in development, like it uses the Atomic Network, like you can mine it, all this fun stuff. So to me, Vertcoin is just kind of like a Bitcoin in its infancy, or a Litecoin in its infancy. It's the people's coin. Plus, I like green. Okay, very cool color. I own Vertcoin. And so I was happy when it went up a bit this week. Now, which coins did I buy this week? Well, this past week I bought a couple coins. Just a couple. I bought some ARK, and I also bought some Cardano. And why did I buy them? Well, ARK, wherever it got to, man, it's getting pushed down because of everything. But ARK has been seeing quite a drop in terms of the Bitcoin comparative. All right? It's got over a 50% pullback. And I tend to think that ARK is a very good project. All right? It has the development team from Crypty, which part of it went to Lisk, part of it went to ARK. They have some very cool stuff going on. I was waiting for a price pullback, and I got to a point where I thought, yeah, this is it. So I bought some ARK. Also, I bought some Cardano. And the reason why was I saw it going up and up and up, and I said, well, I might as well get some in case it goes up to like 50 cents. So I did, and I'm glad that I didn't buy a whole bunch. I mean, I think I got in somewhere around, I don't know. It was in the 2 cents area somewhere when I bought it. Seeing a pullback, actually seeing somewhat of a descending flag, a descending wedge. And if you know your technical analysis, like I know my technical analysis, which is not very much, but a descending wedge can sometimes be a bullish pattern. I mean, when you see the bottoms, let's take a look at this, the past like week. All right, when you have the tops coming down, I'll turn this stuff off. We'll make it easy to see. Here we go. When you see the tops coming down to meet the bottoms in a wedge pattern and it's descending, sometimes that can be a bullish thing. But if the bottoms are flat, which they're kind of looking like here, then sometimes that cannot be. So maybe I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm going to buy some Cardano because I really think that's a great project for the long term. They're building the blockchain 3.0. I want to be involved in that. I want to get into Ethereum and Bitcoin on the ground floor. And I think you can do that by owning Cardano. They're not even paying me to say that. But if they want to pay me to say that in Cardano, I would be totally happy. So guys, just send it this way. Anyways, that's it for this week. What am I going to buy this week? Cardano. I haven't really looked at anything else. Haven't thought about anything else. So probably Cardano. More Bitcoin, always dollar cost averaging Bitcoin. Also Ethereum. I've been buying a little bit every week because I want to get to 10 Ethereum. That way I can do the staking when it comes live. last things, late night live stream tomorrow night, Tuesday, October 17th at 10:30 p.m. Eastern. Be there or be square. And what do you guys think about this stuff? I always love to know. What are you buying this week? What are you looking at? What do you want me to look at? I'm trying to get to all the coins you guys asked for, but it turns out there's a lot of them. So, when you guys request them multiple times, multiple people request them, that's when I make them. Lastly, if you like this episode, click that subscribe button. I will see you guys tomorrow for an episode and then later in the night for the live stream. Have a great one. Peace.